Okay, hello everyone. This is the video on how to do this worksheet that's on Kami. So if you work on this one, if you work on the past assignments, as you know, we're doing the imperfect. Okay, the imperfect is things that you used to do in the past, but you don't do them anymore. So that's the imperfect or el imperfecto. And these are the ABA words. For ejemplo, if I have cantar, if the word for cantar ends in AR, right? So yo cantaba. I used to sing. So all you change the ABA, you drop the AR, right? You change the ABA. So you cantabas. You drop the AR and you put it ABAS. Él cantaba. ABA y nosotros, nosotros cantábamos. So it's ábamos. Cantábamos. Let's see if you can see it. Let me write it again. So it's nosotros cantábamos. Okay. And that'd be ellos cantaban. They used to sing. So ABAN, cantaban. Okay. So on this one, this is what you're gonna do with this one, and these are the AR endings only. Let me see. I think all of these are AR. Yes, only AR. Yes. So all these are AR. The verbs. I'm looking at the verbs right here. See, we got AR, 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 and AR. So this is the pattern you're gonna follow here. Okay. So the first one is mis tíos. So mis tíos, so you're gonna put mis tíos, and when you do it on Kami, you just click on the appropriate box to write the words here. Mis tíos, so mirar, so it'll be like ellos. Mis tíos miraban la tele. So this is all you're doing there. Okay, I'll do one more. Julio y Carlos, jugar is the same thing as ellos because there's plural. So you're going to say Julio y Carlos. See, ellos, them, they, jugaban fútbol en el patio. So they were playing, or they used to play football in the patio or in the yard. That's we could say here. Okay, so this is how you do this activity. Make sure you follow this pattern right here. Okay, follow that. And if you have any questions, please send me a remind or send me an email. Thank you very much.